during and post-pandemic. Pandemic. So, hi classmates, this is my report this afternoon.
So classmate, this is automatic.
Sa tingin nyo, what is the curriculum modification? Anong ibig sabihin nun? Curriculum modification?
May voice activator.
Nasa ano, baba.
Bawal ka magmura.
Hello, my voice is activated. Activated yun.
Wala ako na nang sasagot.
Modification
and
basic education.
Modification,
modify.
To modify.
Hello, my voice activated.
I-enhance. O
Binago ng konti.
medyo inag-ina
Medyo
So,
parang
ito na.
play-doh.
What? Curriculum modification as the process of making adjustment to existing programs in basic and higher education. That includes teachers' education in order to respond to the needs of the learners amid and post-pandemic. So,
What's the meaning?
ayun na!
Alam mo ba yung mga binabasa niya, nandyan din, oh.
So, ibig sabihin niya, mga changes at mga gusto nyo lang makita yung doon eh. Ito ang pagbabago. Kasi ito yung
Changes.
Barbie, ba't
ito yung nagpa-topic na ito is about kung 2009 pandemic. So, about mga changes.
2000.
Oo nga.
Oo, yun na.
Ma'am, natuwa kami sa ano niya. Kasi may ano.
Start learning outcomes, explain curriculum changes include intro in basic education to address learning-related problems brought about by the pandemic, identify the different modes of teaching, delivery during and post COVID-19 pandemic.
Yung Biko doon? Wala ko.
May Biko. So, in Deep Ed, we have the MELCS. MELCS, we call it the most essential learning competencies. Before the pandemic, there are
lahat naman yan, madami.
14,771 competency found in the K-12 curriculum, guys. But when the time of the pandemic, as you can observe, there are differences. The competency
To the
was
full
decreased,
talaga yung
and it's
whole.
about
Oh my God!
5,689.
Oh my
So,
God!
ano
Oh my
ba?
God!
One-third, no?
Oo, malaki talagang binaban niya kasi nga, siyempre maraming pumabago, hindi na tayo pwede mag face to face. So, kailangan natin maibibigay lahat yung kung ano daw malalaman ng mga estudyante. So, kailangan natin yung mga hindi na masyadong di-decrease nila para
Ay, ganun pala.
deliver ng mga
Oh, yung pala yun.
Ganun ba?
Why?
Kaya yun, doon na mag-shine.
Oo, yun na nga.
Kaya nga,
Kaya nga nga sinusupport
kasi
eh.
marami pang apat.
Marami pang
Time na,
apat.
ma'am.
Okay. So, most essential learning competencies.
184.
So, mga essential learning. When there is so much to cover, teacher tend to do
Nahurot ng
wide
utok.
edge depth teaching. So, ano ibig sabihin nun? As we say, competencies, there are the skills na dapat mong malaman ng mga
Sino ka? Ayan tayo.
kailangan, yung mga teacher daw, hindi lang sila hindi lang sila yung nag-focus sa isang yung pang instead of doing what is only in the curriculum, need sila
Magalit yung student nito.
Hindi pala pwede.
Tinapay.
Yes, para lang maibigay sa mga learners.
Naka-deep teaching.
Depth kayo.
In-depth.
So, there are various curriculum delivery modes. So, you want to read, please?
Ma'am?
Ang dami mo. Yan na yung iba.
O, di ba gusto mo mag-participate?
Okay. Check.
Thank you, ma'am.
Learning, a term
Fair
is
ka.
Miss Minchin to learn at students' own premise through communication technologies such as Blackboard, Google Classroom, virtual reality.
Google Classroom.
Oo, kasi kung ano yung sinasabi, yan yung nasa baba.
Education make available
May activated yung voice eh.
Wala mo.
Oo,
ano na,
online.
online na.
Grabe yung teacher na to.
Nakakagulat pa.
Undefeated.
Yung mga asynchronous.
Nakatingin sa baba.
Oo. Yan na yan.
Tama.
Yan yung online learning.
Oh.
So, alam nyo na, from the word online learning.
Yes, ma'am. God, good teacher.
Online.
Own?
Number 2, Jack.
Yes, ma'am. Alternative delivery mode. It is referred to non-traditional, non-traditional
184.
education program recognized
Ito,
by
ito.
the Department of Education
Akin
or
to eh.
DepEd, which
Yan yung inano niya eh.
Ay, ito pala
learning
basic.
philosophy and curricular delivery
Number 2.
program
Asan yung number
that includes non-formal and informal sources
Hindi
of
ang number
knowledge and skills.
So ito na yung alternative naman.
Ano yung alternative?
Alternative learning.
Oo. Hindi ka
Ito yung
pwede
parang ano, TESDA, ma'am?
Alternative learning ALS.
ALS.
Alternative delivery mode, hindi
Ito yung ano, yung
Ang tatalino.
alas daw.
ALS daw eh, isa TESDA eh.
Traditional.
Ano yung alternative delivery mode, ma'am?
yung ano, ito na yung
Sounds like.
yung mga module ba yun? Ihahatin sa ano?
Ha?
Oo.
Yan yung modular.
Alternative, other way. Kung paano mo siya i-deliver.
Oo.
Kaya nga, modular
Pwede
yan.
online. Oo.
Tapos tayo sa unan ka rin naman eh.
Alternative.
Alternative nga eh.
Ito naman.
Ano ba yun?
Flexible learning. Diba, flexible learning. di ba?
Alternative delivery mode is refers to the non-traditional education program recognized by
Flexible learning.
Kahit nasa bahay ka, ganyan.
Ay, tapos yun yung
is a non-formal, informal sources of
Oh,
knowledge.
anytime, any day, anywhere.
Pwede ka mag-aral.
Kahit pa ginawang alternative delivery mode of learning.
Gusto din?
Through online.
Online at saka module.
Script, wala nga ako sa script. Wala akong bindagaragram.
there are 2 types of
Hindi ko nakuha yung solusyon.
EDMs. EDMs.
Ayun ang alternative.
Hindi ko natapos kasi inuna ko yung
Wala ko to mami. Lipat na eh. Number 1. Rika.
Motivate the school and off-school approach.
Puro hutok na ako ba?
To address the problem of congestion, overcrowding due to classrooms, teacher shortage, etc. For seasonal absentees, those living in conflict disaster areas, chronically ill, indigenous children, and those engaged in earning a living to augment the family income.
So ito yung mga creative EDMs naman. Yung kung
Ito yung pinupuntahan nyo sa bahay eh,
yung may
mga teacher.
yung mga may sakit, yung
Yung mga may hirap na hindi makapasok sa school.
Yung binibisita bakit hindi ka nakapasok. At saka yung iba na nagtatrabaho muna. Kasi nga walang ipapakain.
Ayun yung umabsent, tapos binibisit ng mga teacher.
Mama here at 90.
So, mama hirap.
Ayun yun ha. So number 2,
Homeschool.
Number 2, enhance instructional management by parents, community, and teachers. E-impact for primary education is meant to address the issues of both access and quality by enabling schools to deliver complete levels 1 to 6 despite shortage of teachers.
Tapos ka na mag-report, Tina? Last week?
Implemented in both levels using the community learning center.
So,
Ganda ng ano.
impact for primary education.
Activated yung voice
Address
ano niya.
Issues about access.
Quality of learning.
Implemented in all 6 levels using the community
Asan
learning
naman?
center. So, ipapaliwanag pa ba natin?
Self-explanatory naman.
Oo, nandoon naman na, di ba? Okay. So, next tayo kasi may habol pa. Distance learning. Distance.
Distance.
Ako ba?
Yes.
Distance learning. Modes of education include delivery of educational content online, digitally or through radio and televisions. There used to be a school on the air. In this COVID-19 crisis, the Philippine government offered government-run television and radio stations as platforms for delivering lessons. Distance learning.
Ito na yata yung
Yung pandemic nga, yung module.
Ayun ang yung distance learning.
yes. So, ano tayo mga online.
Module lang.
Modular.
No education inclusive. Okay? So, adjustable naman siya, di ba? Kasi
Yeah.
kakapas lang natin yan sa post-pandemic na yan. So, fresh pa kaunti sa mga ano natin, mga diwa, at
Yes,
mga puso,
ma'am.
mga balon-balunan.
Baluna.
Ay, homeschooling! So, ito naman yung
Oh.
home! Roma, kasi photographer, videographer si
Another homeschooling, another flexible learning option that provides learners with access to formal education while staying in an out-of-school environment. It is meant for learners in unique circumstances such as illness, frequent travel, special education needs, and other similar contexts.
ito mo yung mga nag-homeschooling. Example niyan, yung ibang artista, diba, homeschooling sila.
Francine Diaz.
Kaya yung mga hindi talaga kaya pumasok.
Oo, kasi, yes. Hirap ng, yes. Yung iba naman na wala masyadong time for school, so homeschooling sila na pinupuntahan ng mga ano ba?
Oh, di ba si Alice Do? Sabi homeschooling daw siya.
Ay, yung mga una din naman.
Punta sa farm, di ba? Kasi sa farm siya pinunta.
Wala akong maalala, Your Honor.
Naalala niyo si Teacher Ruby?
Wala akong maalala, Your Honor.
Classmate niya yung mga alaga nilang baboy doon sa figurine.
Homeschooling sila eh. So, homeschooling
Wala po
na
akong
yung
maalala, Your Honor.
Isa sa mga alternatives na
4 years old ka,
Mahirap
naalala mo.
mag-homeschooling kasi wala pa akong maalala, Your Honor.
the number 5.
Interview ka.
Ayan na yung ALS.
Yan.
Lumabas na
Als. So, lumabas na si Als.
ALS is a parallel learning system in the Philippines that provides a practical option to the existing formal instruction. When one does not have or cannot access formal education in school, ALS is an alternative or substitute. ALS includes both the non-formal and informal sources of knowledge and
Alice
skills.
lumabas.
So, yun na yung kanina. I-ano nyo ngayon, i-apply nyo ngayon yung sinabi nyo kanina.
Hindi, ang ALS kasi, ma'am, yan yung mga, kung hindi ka nakatapos ng high school, pwede mo siyang balikan, ituturo sa'yo ng mula first year to fourth year.
Okay.
Para graduate ka na ng high school.
Oo, yung meron yung kasunod niyan.
Ayun na nga.
May pa din.
Non-formal, merong modular.
Oo.
Yes.
Pupunta ka talaga doon.
So, ano naman siya, di ba? Adjustable
yes,
naman siya, di ba?
ma'am.
Alternative learning system, di ba? O, di ba?
Meron yan ngayon. Yan yung uso sa amin ngayon. Sa mga bundok.
Oo, kasi nga yung mga hirap na
Madami
mag-aral
din
na
ako
sa
nag-aaral.
school.
Wika sa calamity
Kahit
na
naman sa
nangyari
sa city, meron yan yung mga hindi nagtatapos ng high school. Ayan yung para mag-jump na sila sa college. Yan yung
Ito na
mga
yun.
anak ko
Two
kasi
major
kami
program
din
of
sa natal.
ELS. Two major program.
ALS.
ALS yung kanina.
Sabi mo
ELS.
ELS yan, oh.
Galit ka.
Number 1, ako na. Basic literacy program.
Wala
So,
ka.
ito yung ano. So, yun yung pag ano ka, yung mga gusto mo lang magtapos ng pag-pursue ng study mo sa college, yun na yun, yung mga
Mag-pursue.
basic na. Ito naman number 2, continuing education program, accreditation and equivalency. Isa yung mga nagda-drop out daw noon na gusto mo mag-continue
Ayun
na.
na ngayon sa
Oo.
Ayun na ngayon.
Pasok
Ayun
din sa
na
ALS.
yung pinaliwanag ko, yung
Yes.
continued education.
Yung mga, yun na yun.
Ano ba
Yun na
talaga?
yun, ma'am. Understandable, ma'am? Yeah, thank you, ma'am. And that is my report for this afternoon. Ano ba ngayon? May 4, 2025. Thank you, classmates, for